Alright, so we have this relationship that we're going to explore at the point 2, 3 pi over 2. We want to find the normal and the tangent line. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure this point is on the curve. So we have 2 times 3 pi over 2 plus pi times sine of 2 equals 5 pi. And sine of 2, sine of y, I'm sorry. So the sine of y is 3 pi over 2. Sine of 3 pi over 2 equals 5 pi. So 2 times 2 is 4. We'll cancel one of these out. We'll have 6 pi. And then in sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1 minus pi. And that does equal 5 pi. So our point is on the curve. What we want to do now is we want to do the explicit derivative of this. So we're going to take d dx across the left-hand side and also across the right-hand side. And so we start with a product rule. We're going to have the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first plus pi cosine y equals 0. And we want to solve for dy dx. So we'll isolate dy dx. And divide by 2x. And so our derivative, dy dx, is equal to, I'll pull my negative out, 2y plus pi cosine y all over 2x. And so now we want to find the normal and the tangent line, so we need to find the slope at this point. So the slope at the point 2, 3 pi over 2 is going to be negative 2 times 3 pi over 2 plus pi cosine 3 pi over 2 all over 2 times 2. Well, the cosine at pi over 2 is 0. And so we're going to get negative 3 pi over 4 as our slope. And so our slope is negative 3 pi over 4. So to write the tangent line, I think I'll start with, let me start with the tangent line. So y minus y1 equals dy dx times x minus x1, or y minus 3 pi over 2 equals negative 3 pi over 4 times x minus 2. We'll distribute this, negative 3 pi over 4x plus 3 pi over 2. And we'll add 3 pi over 2 to each side, so we'll get negative 3 pi over 4x. Adding, so 6 pi over 2, 6 pi over 2, or 3 pi as we add across. And so there is our tangent line. To find our normal, the slope of a normal, so the slope for the normal line is the negative reciprocal of dy dx. So that's going to be 4 over 3 pi. And so our line for the normal is y minus y1 times 4 over 3 pi times x minus x1, which is 2. Oops. So y minus 3 pi over 2 equals 4 over 3 pi x minus 8 over 3 pi. And so we're going to get, because this was 2 and this was 3 pi over 2, we'll distribute the 4 across, and so we're going to get y equals 4 3 pi x minus 8 over 3 pi plus 3 pi over 2. We'll fix the denominator here. And so this needs a 2, so I'm going to get 16 minus 16. Let me fix my signs here. Plus, it's going to be 2 times 8, so negative 16. And then 3 pi times 3 pi, or 9 pi squared over 6 pi.